let me just say, for all you guys out there that are as cheap as I am and do not want to spend $200 on rod holders for your boat, let me show you what I did. It's cheap, inexpensive, and this is my bow fishing boat. I bow fish at nighttime with lights and shoot catfish and carp and stuff. Anyways, down here in Santee, South Carolina. But anyways, I'm going to use this boat also for rod and reel catfishing, and because we have a lot of catfish down here, and I didn't want to spend $200 or more plus on a bunch of rod holders, so I just took some 2x6s, and you can see I bolted a 2x6 down the length of my gunnel or railing here, and I put a couple bolts into the along in here, and then I put a 2x4 up underneath, as you can see on the other side over there where I did that over. I put a 2x4 underneath that 2x6 and just kind of bolt them together. And so if I want to, I can take it out real easy by just undoing a couple bolts. But the main thing is you can just put wood all along there. Just put that railing along there and use a 1 3/8 drill bit and just drill them out. Now let's drill them out. Simple as that, you know. And then once you drill them out, you just put the rods in there, and they work fine. I just got a few of them sticking straight out, but you can put them on angles if you want. You can just, like I did here in the back. On the back, I just put 3 different angles. One to the side, one to the back, and one on a 45-degree angle, just for the heck of it. But 2 little bolts, piece of 2x6, and I've got, I don't know, 12, 13 holes there. Simple. 2x6, holes drilled in it, and you've got all the rod holders you want. If you don't want it there, you can just take a couple bolts loose, off it comes. But I might even put a little railing along here, just a little bit of a lip on both sides, just to make it like a, I don't know, like a cutting board. And you know, you can put your knife up there and your, you know, bait, lures, or I mean, whatever, just stuff that won't roll off. You put some sides on it. So it's kind of a cutting board, rod holder, and it's cheap, real cheap. What does it cost? $10. Probably not that much for a couple 2x6s and a little bit of 2x4s. Anyways, there you have it. That's my idea of rod holders on the cheap. Do it yourself.